Now here is how we can enable the triple click on the iPad. Let me show you how it works. And if you are new here on this channel, consider subscribing for similar tutorials in the future as well. Anyways, the triple click of the side button or the power button on the iPad only works for like a set amount of features, right? So for example, there are things like the guided access, which you can enable inside of the settings and accessibility. And when you get to the bottom, there is the guided access. You might enable it. And as you can see, it is like set up with the triple clicking of the top button to, once you are inside of the app, you can perform the gesture of triple click and the guided access will be enabled. This is a feature which locks one application and it doesn't let you leave outside of that unless you type in the passcode. So this is one thing, of course. But other than that, we also have at the bottom of the accessibility features, we have the accessibility shortcut. And this is literally the triple click functionality for some more things, right? And as you can tell, guided access is already part of the list. This cannot even be turned off because it only works with that gesture, but you can add more things to it. Right, so you can add, for example, color filters to be triggered with triple clicking of the top button. And the way that it works is that if you have like more features on more things hidden behind that gesture, you're going to have to select which one you want to activate, right? So you perform the triple click, then you decide what we are going through, and then it will be activated. But if you only want just one feature to be activated by the triple click, then it will not require any confirmation anymore, but it only has to be just one thing, right? So you can disable everything else and just keep one feature, and this will be triggered automatically as long as you perform the triple click gesture. So that is how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up as you wanted. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.